Replacement windows. Mandeville is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Replacement windows. Mandeville services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and custom windows tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in double-hung windows or sliding windows, Mandeville window contractors provide expert guidance and professional installation to ensure your home is both beautiful and functional. Energy-efficient windows. Mandeville are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Replacement windows. Mandeville experts can help you select the best energy-efficient windows for your home, ensuring you enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Vinyl windows. Mandeville are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners seeking low-maintenance window solutions. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent choice for the humid climate of Mandeville, LA. With a variety of styles and colors available, vinyl windows can complement any home design while providing long-lasting performance. Double-hung windows. Mandeville, LA offer a classic look with modern functionality, making them a popular choice for residential windows in the area. These windows feature two operable sashes that allow for easy cleaning and improved ventilation. Mandeville window contractors can provide expert installation of double-hung windows, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Custom windows. Mandeville are ideal for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their property. Whether you're interested in bay windows, casement windows, or any other style, Mandeville window experts can design and install custom windows that match your vision and enhance your home's curb appeal. With personalized window solutions, you can create a distinctive look that sets your home apart. Replacement windows. Mandeville services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window glass replacement to window frame repair. Mandeville, LA. Local professionals offer comprehensive repair services to address any issues you may encounter. Regular window maintenance. Mandeville can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Bay windows. Mandeville, LA add elegance and charm to any home, providing additional space and natural light. These windows create a cozy nook perfect for reading or enjoying the view. Mandeville window contractors can expertly install bay windows, ensuring they are both beautiful and energy efficient. Casement windows in Mandeville offer a sleek, modern look with excellent ventilation capabilities. These windows open outward, allowing for maximum airflow and unobstructed views. Mandeville window installation services can help you choose the right casement windows for your home, providing a stylish and functional upgrade.